How to fix League of Legends high ping and lag spikes. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So high ping is caused by low internet connection or very poor internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a stable internet. You can also consider enabling flight mode. After a few seconds, simply disable it and turn on Wi-Fi. This should enhance your Wi-Fi quality. Next step is make sure you have the latest version of League of Legends application. To do so, go to Play Store and search for League of Legends and see if you have the latest version or not. If not, get the latest version. After that, go to Settings, go to Apps, and then find League of Legends. After that, on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and restart your game. That should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.